Some cities wake up slowly, and some wake up first. This is João Pessoa on Brazil's Atlantic coast, one of the easternmost cities in the Americas. When the sun rises here, there is almost nothing between this shoreline and Africa. Morning arrives early, but the city itself doesn't rush to meet it. From above, João Pessoa looks simple. A long curve of sand, warm Atlantic water, palm trees leaning towards the ocean. Beaches like Cabo Branco and Tambaú stretch quietly along the coastline, where the waves roll in without much drama. It's not Brazil's most famous coast. There are no towering skylines here. No beach is crowded with cameras and noise. Instead, the city feels comfortable beside the sea. Sometimes, the most interesting places are the ones that never try too hard to become famous. João Pessoa is also known as one of Brazil's greenest cities, and from the air, that becomes obvious very quickly. Trees spread through neighborhoods like a second landscape. Parks and fragments of Atlantic rainforest slip between roads and buildings. In many cities, nature survives in small corners. Here, it feels like the city grew carefully around the trees instead. The result is something unusual. A state capital that still feels calm. Long before the beachfront apartments appeared, João Pessoa began further inland. The historic center still carries that older rhythm. Colonial buildings, Baroque churches, quiet streets, where the past hasn't been completely replaced. One of the most striking places here is the São Francisco Cultural Center, a church complex filled with stone courtyards and intricate details, built during Brazil's colonial centuries. At the time, this coastline was part of a vast network connecting Europe, Africa, and South America. Just a few kilometers down the coast lies a place that feels like the edge of something, Ponta dos Seixas, the easternmost point of the Americas. Stand here at sunrise, and the Atlantic stretches endlessly towards the horizon. There is nothing between this cliff and another continent. João Pessoa doesn't try to impress visitors with spectacle. It doesn't compete with Brazil's biggest cities. Instead, it offers something quieter: ocean, trees, history, and space to breathe. Some places capture your attention immediately. Others take a little longer. João Pessoa belongs to the second kind, the kind you notice slowly and remember quietly.